It was a birthday party yesterday. So niliruka and I'm feeling so tired. Mgongo yangu inauma. I don't know. Well, aje. It's extra tiresome. So stressful. My back. Kuamka asubuhi. Actually, I'm so I feel so bad. Hii mgongo. Sijui kama mimi ndo niko na shida ya mgongo peke yangu, because if I do even a little jumping, standing, like yesterday, baby, I really tried. I woke up at around, I think it was around 8. I took breakfast. Now the next, after I took breakfast, the next thing I did was helping my house girl to do cleaning. I cleaned the house, like sile ya kumop chini, but kupanguza meza, dirisha, fridge, hizo vitu, like the appliances, to undust them, and the TV and the TV stand. Then I started preparing baking a cake. It was around, I started baking a cake at around 11 a.m. So nikamaliza. I had to after baking, we finished baking, we went to clean the baby's room. So to clean, we organized, and then now finishing the room, we took lunch. We took lunch at around 2:30. After taking lunch, now that's when I went back to do the ice, like decorating the cake. Before I went to decorate the cake, yes, I remember I had to take a shower because I didn't take a shower. I had to take a shower first. I finished taking a shower. I went now to finish decorating the cake. Like I was doing it slow by slow, so I started decorated the cake at around it was at around 5, something like that. Like no 6, no 4. Yeah, 4. So I finished decorating the cake at around 5 something. Yes, at around 5:30. Now the baby's all ready to start the celebration, the party. Sasa wacha watoto wa dance. They made me be extra tired. They had to ask me to go and dance with them so that it can be so far. I had to tuliruka. From now, it was from 6. From 6 to around 10. Yeah, to 10, around 10:30. 10:20, 10:30. That's when I felt like I was extra tired. My back was not that fine. Nikasikia mgongo imekata. So I had to tell them, now it's time's up. Now everyone is supposed to go and sleep. So it was all fun. They had fun. Tulicheza, tulikata keki, tulikunywa, even we drank soda. Tulikunywa soda, and now it was time for everyone to go and sleep. Sai nasikia waliamka. They have come to check up on me. Wakaenda na wameacha hata magari zao hapa. You see, wanakuja kwa room, wamekuja wameniwachia magari hapa, wamechomoka. For the kijana, for the girl, baby girl. Wameziweka kwa bed, wakaleta na hizi balloons. These balloons here. Yeah, mommy, this is for you. So they've gone to play. Yeah, they're watching cartoons. Now I'm here, thinking to wake up. I take breakfast. And then, what next? After taking breakfast, I do cleaning. Yeah. So I'll show you around when I'll be able to do the room arrangements. Yeah, and the final look up for it. See you. Stay tuned. So I'm starting the arrangements right now. Where? Right now is the time for me to do the cleaning. I wish you could know the time. Let me just start with the bed. Oops. Welcome home. Welcome home.